A user imports records, one wrong mapping, 8,000 messy records, and a Monday spent cleaning up. The reason? Repeated setups, inconsistent import file format, and silent errors, bound to happen. But what if every import came pre-configured? Meet opportunity import templates, reusable pre-configured templates that lock in every field, every rule, every action. Here's how it works. Admin configures a template with a guided wizard for setup. Admins can upload a sample CSV, which becomes the standard format for all imports. Templatize field mapping with mandatory fields locked. Configure duplicate handling and default user locked for all imports. Configure post-import triggers for automations, webhooks, distribution rules, or UDS. Enable pause, play, or cancelling operations mid-import. Admins configure the template once, apply it to a team, then users just pick their template, upload their file, and go. No remapping, no rule picking, just imports that follow your standards. Configure once, import forever. Trust every record that lands in your CRM. Opportunity import templates, now available.